All Indian questions and answer 1. Diverse classroom implies students from their different culture, various language, community and different areas of learning difficulty. 2. Special classroom education is meant for dash answer learner with learning difficulty. 3. Mainstream implies dash answer movement from special school to regular school. 4. Challenge in a diverse classroom implies how to dash helps all categories of learners in learning. 5. Each learner is unique because of dash answer different personal qualities, various family backgrounds and different styles. 6. One who can learn through oral discussion is a dash answer auditory learner. 7. A hyperactive child is termed as a dash answer tactile learner. 8. Which is specific challenge in a language classroom dash they have poor comprehension. 9. Indoor to meet the challenge of a diverse classroom, the teacher should answer dash appreciate the style of learning, provide multiple examples and accept learners' views. 10. The children with learning difficulties shall do better if they are dash encouraged for collaborative learning. 11. A student can be encouraged for self-learning through dash answer programmed learning materials. 12. Deficiency in a learner can be taken care through dash answer remedial teaching. 13. Remedial teaching as part of 14. Which of the following is a value associated with an inclusive classroom and sympathy? 15. When young learners seem to lose interest in a lesson, the teacher should dash answer tell a story or conduct an interesting activity. 16. Ethnicity. 16. Sharing common traits such as language, religious and dress refers to dash answer ethnicity. 17. Expectation theory teaches the use that dash certain students do poorly because their teachers do not think they will do well due to their racial or ethnic background. 18. Bilingual maintenance programs emphasize dash keeping of proficiency in the native language when learning English. 19. 4 approaches to multilingual cultural education are dash contributions, additive, transformation and social action.